A campus that plays together grows stronger together. That's the kind of sports culture I aim to build here at IIT Gandhinagar. Sports has always been more than just games to me. It builds resilience, discipline, and community. And I believe that every student on this campus should be encouraged to step onto the field.
Hi everyone, I am Kshitij and I am contesting for the sports secretary. Following the campus's motto of excellence in sports, my primary goal is to make sports more accessible to everyone.
Sports should feel natural on campus. Get out of the hostel, pick up a ball, and start playing. Starting with the IITian community, I believe to foster a sports culture in our hostels, I will conduct frequent inter and intra-hostel leagues and tournaments, have workshops for beginners to learn new sports, and have easier equipment issuing systems for the students in our hostels. Because I believe sports belongs to the entire campus. Access to sports equipments should be simple. I want to bring back the sports issuing system which existed back here in 2023, but with a twist, with the help of our ID cards, because accessibility is everything. And with this, we can ensure accessibility as well as accountability of the students. We also need stronger sports infrastructure, which I aim to build by upgrading gym equipments, making the facilities accessible for everyone, and planning fitness spaces across the campus, which we can ensure by planning gym locations in the hostel area, which will make fitness very accessible for everyone. Our beloved student lounge definitely needs a timely revamp. All the gaming equipment will be repaired and taken care of in my tenure, and we definitely need to bring back the snooker and the carom tables. I aim to utilize all the facilities around campus, like the hockey field, which we can use to conduct events and games throughout the year, not only during Halla Bowl. And I also plan to build a turf on the grounds behind the tennis courts. And other fields like the temporary sports field will work on a booking system where you can book to play. In my tenure, I also want to ensure that Run Kaushal, our very own inter-college sports fest, is successfully organized for the first time and becomes a flagship event of IIT Gandhinagar. This will invite athletes from across colleges to our campus and boost our sports ecosystem. At the same time, our inter-IIT athletes represent IIT Gandhinagar on the national stage. They deserve our best support. I promise to do that by giving them better training infrastructure and regular physiotherapy sessions and recovery support, and also give them opportunity to participate in external tournaments for their preparation. A strong sports culture should also be inclusive. We should promote a lot of women to participate in sports. We can do that by giving them better access to facilities and dedicated opportunities like female-only gym and swimming pool timings, and other initiatives like frequent inter-hostel competitions among the 4 girls' hostels. Improving sports systems is only possible through continuous feedback. I ensure to develop feedback systems among the coaches and players, and also among me and you guys, IIT Gandhinagar community, so that the entire sports ecosystem works smoothly for everyone. My goal is simple: to build a campus that everyone steps onto the field because it is accessible to everyone. I, Kshitij, contesting for the sports secretary, would be grateful to have your support. Let's build a campus that plays together and grows stronger together. Khelega IIT.